Hi lovers, guys, I will be showing you step by step of how I make this delicious cow leg stew, guys. So this is the pot I'm using. I added oil inside, as you can see on this video. So after adding the oil, I leave it to hot before adding the onions, guys. As you can see on this video, after adding your onions, you have to leave it to fry for some minutes before going in with your ginger, elder garlic. So this one you see me add is garlic and ginger. Added it inside, as you can see on this video. After adding the ginger, I have to add curry to it, guys, as you can see. So after adding it, I leave it to fry for like 30 seconds before going in with tomatoes. So these tomatoes you are seeing is tin tomatoes, onion, pepper blended together. We mix everything together before adding it inside. As you can see, we make use of tin tomatoes in this recipe, guys. Watch this video to the end and see the process. Don't tell me you don't know how to cook cow leg stew. So this is the meat, so we parboil it before using it, guys. As you can see, we are selecting the cow leg from the ishaki, guys. So we make use of three type of meat, guys. As you can see, we make use of cow leg, ishaki, our body. Yes, guys, as you can see on this video, now me they run and now me they tell you. That is why they tell of una say make una come register for my online cook if you don't know how to cook. Guys, we are back again to check it. We added salt inside and we add Maggi inside also, as you can see it. After adding it, I have to turn it together as a wife material that I am. So after turning it, I have to cover it to cook, guys. You have to give it a little time to cook very well before adding your meat stock, guys. Now wife material fit show you like this. And they tell you say make you come register for my online cook if you want to know how to cook. This is our body and ishaki, and the meat stock we added it inside. And if you want to make stew like this to chop, to eat swallow with okra, this is how you cook the stew. You use it to eat swallow and okra mixed together. Use it to eat if you taste it, you will love it. So after turning it, I have to cover it to cook. We are here again, guys. Just take a look at this stew now. Zoom it well. Now only wife material go fit show you different type to cook stew. So now the cow leg be this one. Remove the bone inside. As you can see, we added it inside. And we also add the cow leg lid so that the cow leg will not be too soft, because if you overcook the cow leg, it will not be okay if you use it to make stew, guys. As you can see on this video, now only wife material go fit run now only wife material go show you like this. So this is spinach leaf, guys. We added spinach inside. This is a frozen spinach that we are using. Come and have a taste of this stew. Come and taste this stew. If you taste it, you will not leave this stew alone. You will not leave it alone, guys. We like to cook it every day. See stew. Now I have to turn it together very well and also cover it to cook. Give it some time to cook again before bringing it down. As you can see, the stew is ready. The stew is ready to eat. Guys, tell me, what do you think about this video? Tell me, what are you seeing here, guys? Don't forget to like, share, comment, watch the video to the end. See you on my next video.